In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create teams in Monday.com. Teams in Monday.com make it easy to organize people by department, project, or function so you can assign work, notify everyone at once, and manage permissions more smoothly. Let's walk through creating one from start to finish. First, open your browser and go to Monday.com. If your company uses a custom Monday.com URL, you can head there directly. Either way, you'll end up at the same login experience. Click the login button in the top right and sign in to your workspace. If you manage multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the correct one before you continue. Once you're in, look to the top right of the screen for your profile icon. This is usually your avatar or initials. Click it to open the account menu. From that menu, choose Teams. This takes you to the Teams area where you can see existing groups, search for teams, and manage membership. On the Teams page, click New Team. If you don't see this option, your account permissions may limit team creation, so you might need to ask an admin to enable it or create the team for you. Otherwise, you're good to go. Start by entering a clear, descriptive team name. Consistency helps a lot here. Consider a format that matches how your organization works, such as department or project or region function. Keep it short but specific so people know exactly who the team represents at a glance. Next, add team members. Use the search to find colleagues by name. Add the core group now, and don't worry if you miss someone, you can always update the roster later. Think about who needs to receive team notifications and who will be assigned work as a group. If you collaborate with external stakeholders and your plan supports guests, add them only if they truly need access to items the team will use. To make your team easy to spot across boards and updates, upload a team profile picture. A simple logo, a department icon, or a clean square image works well. Aim for something recognizable at small sizes so it looks good in mentions and automations. When everything looks right, click Create. Your new team is ready. From here, you can assign items to the team instead of individual people, mention the team with the @ symbol to notify everyone at once, and use the team in board permissions to streamline access. That's it. You went to Monday.com, logged in, opened your profile menu, selected teams, created a new team, named it, added members, chose a picture, and clicked Create. Thanks for watching and happy building in Monday.com.